Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix controller input, delay, and latency on your NBA 2K24. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So actually, there are three primary culprits for the source of the NBA 2K24 latency issues. So the issue is going to be linked to the game itself, the hardware you are playing on, and on your own home internet setup. So to begin with, let's go over some of the NBA 2K24 changes that could help reduce of fixed lag entirely. And the most important you'll want to do is to head into the settings and turn the more motion blur all the way down. So some players have noticed motion blur have a significant impact, so removing this could help. And if you are able to play without the jump shot meter, removing it and just feeding the timing can also help when the NBA 2K24 online. So if you can build the muscle memory and timing, visual delays in the meter and the pop-up of the meter itself are less likely to create any log or latency problem. So if these changes doesn't or don't make a difference, your next best bet is to focus on your hardware. So playing on a console using a wired controller over a wireless one can also make a big difference. So if you are playing on a TV, check the TV settings to ensure you're using game mode or equivalent when playing. So playing on high-end monitor usually improves delays, and you might even see an improvement if you lower the resolution the game is playing at. And PC players may have a whole host of potential hiccups, but follow the same steps you would do to verify the firewalls and other programs aren't interfering with the connection to any online games. And if none of that seems to make a dent, the last and often most likely the culprit is your internet connection. So this could be a case of having internet that's just too slow to handle the NBA 2K24 latency needed. But there are a few tricks which could help. So if you can use the internet cable or the Ethernet cable to plug your router directly into your console rather than using wireless internet. So if you do need to use Wi-Fi, do your best to ensure you're on a 5G network as opposed to the standard one, and either disconnect entirely or move other Wi-Fi connected device on the non-5G Wi-Fi signal. So you can even a go a step further by disabling Wi-Fi on your phone or any nearby tablets to make sure those aren't draining connection. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.